In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily secure a Zoom meeting. As we all know, online meetings have become an essential part of our daily lives, whether for work, education, or staying in touch with loved ones. But with increased use comes a heightened need to ensure our meetings remain private and secure. Today, we'll walk through some straightforward steps you can take to make your Zoom meetings more secure. Before your meeting even begins, there are a few proactive measures you can put in place. First, consider using a passcode. When you're scheduling your Zoom meeting, you'll want to enable the passcode feature. This is a crucial step because it ensures that only people with the correct code can join your meeting. Think of it as a digital lock on your meeting room door. This simple action can prevent unauthorized entry and help you maintain control over who can participate. Another effective security feature you should use is the waiting room option. Enabling the waiting room allows you to approve each participant before they join the meeting. It's like having a virtual bouncer who checks people at the door before they come in. Once this feature is set up, when participants try to join, you'll see them in a virtual queue and can admit them into the meeting individually. This proactive layer of security means you can see exactly who is trying to join and prevent unwanted guests from entering. One of the simplest yet most often overlooked parts of hosting a secure meeting is about how you share your meeting information. It is essential not to share your meeting links publicly. Avoid posting them on social media or public forums where just about anyone can stumble upon them and gain unwelcome access to your meeting. Instead, only share these details with trusted participants. You can do this through direct messages or emails to specific individuals on your guest list. This way, you maintain better control and ensure only invited participants have the details they need to join. By taking these few simple steps before your meeting, you can greatly enhance the security of your online spaces. Using a passcode provides a basic level of assurance by allowing access only to those you've shared it with. Activating the waiting room feature gives you the power to vet each participant as they attempt to join. Finally, by being mindful about how and where you share your meeting links, you create an additional barrier against uninvited guests. These steps are easy to implement and incredibly effective in protecting your meetings from potential intrusions, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: the content of your meeting itself. Thank you for joining me today. I hope these tips help you keep your Zoom meetings safe and secure. Remember, it's always better to be proactive when it comes to digital security. Stay safe and see you in the next video.